Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to help you in your work. So, first of all guys, go to your PC and open any kind of browsers and then write OpenAI. Now after that, go and click on try over here and then I have already connected to my account. For you guys, make sure that you create an account if you don't have it already or just connect yours that you have already existed. Now, let's try first to ask the bot how is he doing. So, hi. So, let's start a conversation with it. So, as I've mentioned in one of the previous videos, you shouldn't go straight ahead with the AI and tell it to fix your problem. You start with a simple thing, then you go to a much complex thing. So now, hi, how can I help you? So I have a problem in my work. Can you solve it for me? So it doesn't matter what kind of problem that you are having in your work. For example, you are software engineering and you have a problem in something. You are like work. It doesn't need to be a work. It can be a homework. It can be whatever you have. So basically, for example, let's try. Let's say that you have a homework like let's see something here, math homeworks. Let's try something from here and let's copy something. So math lesson worksheet and let's see these puzzles. So polygons and hard, and we wait until we find some question. So like so okay, this is not possible for us to do. Let's see something else. Integers, for example, maybe hard. Um, Hopefully we find now. Okay, review letter or check word. Anyway, it doesn't matter to be like some extra work or something like that. It's just a puzzle. For example, let's ask it to fix us, for example, a problem, which is, can you write me an algorithm to, can you write me an algorithm that accumulates multiple numbers. So here it is, and now after I asked it that, it will start doing to me what I have asked it to do. So let me just check this real quick again. Okay, it's not working, so unfortunately we can't use that. So we will just take to the simple question from me. So sure, here's a basic algorithm in Python to accumulate multiple number. So here it is, and now he will tell you the solution of any problem that you are facing in your work, your school, anything guys. So yeah, he will tell you everything as you can see. And yeah, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.